If you're looking for the best Agentic AI courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Agentic AI is one of the fastest growing areas in artificial intelligence, focusing on AI agents that can reason, plan, use tools, and automate complex tasks. Today, we're ranking the top 3 Agentic AI programs on Coursera, based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Building AI Agents and Agentic Workflows by IBM. This intermediate level specialization teaches LangChain, LangGraph, AI orchestration, retrieval augmented generation, tool calling, and AI workflows. If you want hands-on experience building production-ready AI agents, this is an excellent choice backed by IBM. At number 2 is AI Agent Developer from Vanderbilt University. This beginner-friendly specialization has quickly become one of the highest-rated Agentic AI programs on Coursera. You'll learn prompt engineering, AI orchestration, open AI APIs, retrieval augmented generation, AI workflows, and how to build practical AI agents through hands-on projects. It's an excellent option for developers and professionals who want job-ready skills. Taking the number 1 spot is Agentic AI and AI Agents for Leaders from Vanderbilt University. With an outstanding 4.8-star rating and nearly 10,000 learner reviews, it's one of the most popular Agentic AI programs on Coursera. Designed for beginners, it teaches AI agents, prompt engineering, context engineering, agentic workflows, and practical business applications. If you want to understand how Agentic AI is transforming the workplace without needing a technical background, this is the best place to start. If you're planning to complete more than one of these programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about learning Agentic AI in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you access to the latest AI courses while helping you save money. If you found this ranking helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.